this paracord, and I'm going to take my finger and make a loop, and then I'm going to reach down and grab the tail end, pull it up through. I'm making a slip knot. I'm going to take the other end of the paracord, wrap it around the tree, come up through the loop that I just made, and this forms a block and tackle, so this gives me a lot of leverage to pull this really tight. So I'm going to keep pulling until I get the desired tension that I want. And where I have the two loops, I'm just going to make a pinch. I'm going to take the paracord, form another loop. I'm going to go under the line and back over. Hope you can see that. Let's try that again. So up and back over on the loop that I just formed. Then I'm going to take that, which I just made a half hitch, and give it a pull back toward the knot there. And that makes a nice half hitch that's easily untied, even in cold weather with gloves on. You just simply give it a pull. It comes right apart. And then you can just give the slip knot a pull. This clove hitch. What I'm going to do is loop this over, and I'm going to take and make another loop the opposite way. So I have one going under